Okay, how y'all doing? Hopefully you're doing well. So, here is a video on refreshing our brains on how to solve a linear equation that looks like this. So, I've mentioned in previous videos that when you see parentheses in an equation, it's hiding what the real problem looks like. Agreed? So, what's the first thing we're going to have to do? Distribute. And we're distributing what number? The 3. How many times? Good, twice, because there's only 2 terms in front of, there's only 2 terms in the parentheses that the 3 is in front of. So, you tell me what my next line is going to look like. Good, start at the left, write the 13 plus. Now, 3x minus 3. Excellent. Okay. Now, there's 2 directions you can kind of go from here. Me personally, I like to get all my variables on one side of the equal to sign. So the first thing I want to do is decide which side to move the x's. Now, I choose to move all the x's to the right side because this 9x is over here by itself. So when I move this 3x to this side, the x's will be by themselves. Does that make sense? Okay. So I am going to subtract 3x from both sides. Now let's see what remains. We have 13. This plus 3x, this minus 3x drops out, right? We have this minus 3 equals 6x. Good? Wonderful. And yeah, I see the left side, we can combine these 2 terms. And some of you may have said, well, couldn't I have combined those first? You certainly could have. But I always like to stay focused on the variable, so to speak, and make certain it's on one side before I do too much else. But these 2 steps could be interchangeable. So 10 equals 6x. And we've seen this before. What do? Good. You divide both sides by 6, and again, those of us who are very visual should literally write divided by 6 on both sides. So we see we have 10 over 6 equaling x. And yes, you reduce it. It is a fraction. So what are you doing to reduce? Dividing by 2. And if you need to write this little step out, divide by 2, then you write it out. And if you're like, I don't need to write it out, well, then don't write it out. Your choice. It's good. Either way, you get the same answer. Yes? Okay. Hope this made sense. I have some examples following that you can work on your own for more practice. Have fun with them, and I'll catch you on the flip side.